That's a good fella.
Well, talk to Grandma.
He fell asleep.
Talk to Grandma. Talk to her.
What's Noah doing? I know it's Grandma. Yeah. You need to come and see Grandma. Come on, come see Grandma.
Say, I want to, but Poppy won't let me.
Aww. Oh, Grandma. Sang this morning. It's not like when you left me to sing tonight. Oh, sure. Okay. Yeah. What are your daddy's gonna sing? Okay.
He's singing.
You'll learn to talk one of these days.
Yeah, but this is his rendition of Just a Little Talk with Jesus. He's telling you all about his troubles. Can you hear the faintest cry?
Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our troubles. He will hear our faintest cry, and he will answer. What's he doing now?
That.
He was listening there for a minute, wasn't he?
He was listening. He does listen. Are you still there? Are you still there? Oh, wait a second. He took you.
I heard a little click or something.
Yeah, he turned off the speakerphone button.
Huh?
He turned off the speakerphone button.
Oh.